Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp messages not appear on your screen. If you value your privacy and don't want your WhatsApp messages popping up for anyone to see, this tutorial is for you, so let's dive right in. Many people appreciate getting notifications from messaging apps like WhatsApp or iMessage. However, these notifications aren't always private. If someone else is holding your phone, for example, and a notification appears, they can often see and read most of the message content, even unintentionally. To prevent this, you should turn off the notification previews. Here is how you do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down until you find the notification section, or scroll all the way to the bottom where each third-party app is listed. Let's start with the notification section. So at the top, you can see that there is an option called Show Previews. If you tap on it, you'll be given 3 options: Always, When Unlocked, and Never. For maximum privacy, select Never. This means message previews will not show up on your lock screen or any other place at all. But choose the option that suits you best, of course. When Unlocked can be a good middle ground, as it will only show previews when your phone is unlocked. Remember, this setting affects all apps and notifications, not just WhatsApp. If you want to adjust settings for a specific app like WhatsApp, follow these steps. So instead of applying it to every app, scroll down within the notification panel until you find WhatsApp. Tap on it, and here you'll see the various settings, but the same stuff is going to be here as well, so you can adjust previews specifically for WhatsApp only. Again, the 3 options aren't going to be the same, so choose it, but it only applies to WhatsApp, as you can understand. So yeah, it's up to you, but this is essentially it. Now you know how you make sure that your WhatsApp messages don't appear on your screen for everyone to see randomly. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the future. Peace out until then.